Hey everyone, it's Pika! Welcome to our exploration of Glacier National Park, a stunning gem nestled in the heart of the Rocky Mountains. Renowned for its breathtaking landscapes, diverse ecosystems, and rich wildlife, this national park is a haven for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. In this video, we will delve into the park's significance, highlighting its role in preserving natural beauty and biodiversity. We'll also showcase some of the top activities and hikes that await you, from the iconic Going to the Sun Road to the exhilarating trails leading to hidden lakes and majestic peaks. Whether you're an experienced hiker or a casual visitor, Glacier offers something for everyone. Prepare to be captivated by the park's awe-inspiring vistas, pristine wilderness, and the thrill of outdoor adventures. Join us as we uncover the wonders of Glacier National Park and inspire you to embark on your own unforgettable journey through this remarkable landscape. Adventure and beauty await you in every corner of this extraordinary park. Glacier National Park is located in the northwestern region of Montana, just a stone's throw from the US-Canada border, making it a prime destination for both American and Canadian visitors. Spanning over 1 million acres, the park is renowned for its dramatic natural features including towering mountains, pristine lakes, and of course, its namesake glaciers. The rugged peaks of the Rocky Mountains dominate the landscape, offering breathtaking views and challenging hikes. Visitors can explore stunning glacial lakes like Lake McDonald and St. Mary Lake, each showcasing vibrant colors and serene surroundings. In this video, we will take you through the park's various regions, including the picturesque Many Glacier area, the scenic Going to the Sun Road, and the remote North Fork. Each area boasts unique features and experiences, from wildlife sightings to panoramic vistas. Join us as we journey through Glacier National Park, uncovering the beauty and diversity that make this destination truly extraordinary. The Two Medicine area of Glacier National Park is a hidden gem, known for its serene beauty and tranquil atmosphere. At the heart of this region lies Two Medicine Lake, surrounded by towering peaks and lush forests, creating a picturesque setting that invites relaxation and reflection. Visitors can immerse themselves in the stunning scenery while enjoying a peaceful boat tour on the lake, which offers a unique perspective of the surrounding landscape. For those seeking adventure, Two Medicine boasts a variety of hiking trails that cater to all skill levels, from leisurely strolls to challenging treks. The less crowded nature of this area allows for a more intimate experience with nature, making it an ideal spot for wildlife viewing and photography. We encourage you to explore the hiking options linked in the video description, as they will lead you to breathtaking vistas and hidden treasures within this enchanting part of Glacier National Park. Discover the magic of Two Medicine and create unforgettable memories. Lake McDonald, the largest and most popular lake in Glacier National Park, is a vibrant hub of outdoor activities and natural beauty. Its crystal-clear waters, framed by stunning mountain scenery, provide the perfect backdrop for a variety of recreational pursuits. Visitors can enjoy kayaking on the lake, allowing them to explore its tranquil coves and take in the breathtaking views from the water. For those who prefer a more leisurely experience, boat tours are available, offering guided excursions that highlight the lake's unique features and rich history. In the evenings, the park hosts engaging programs that delve into the area's natural and cultural heritage, providing a deeper understanding of this remarkable landscape. A visit to Lake McDonald wouldn't be complete without a stop at the historic Lake McDonald Lodge, a charming structure that dates back to the early 1900s. This lodge not only offers accommodations but also serves as a gateway to the park's adventures, making it a significant landmark in the area. The Going to the Sun Road is one of the most scenic drives in the world, stretching from West Glacier to St. Mary and offering breathtaking views at every turn. This iconic route winds through the heart of Glacier National Park, showcasing stunning landscapes that include towering mountains, lush forests, and pristine lakes. Along the way, there are numerous favorite stops that enhance the experience, such as McDonald Falls, where cascading waters create a mesmerizing sight, and the Wild Goose Island Lookout, which provides a panoramic view of the lake and surrounding peaks. These stops are perfect for capturing memorable photos and soaking in the natural beauty. It's essential to take your time at the scenic turnouts, as each offers unique perspectives and opportunities to connect with the park's stunning environment. Whether you're driving or stopping to explore, the journey along Going to the Sun Road is an unforgettable adventure that highlights the incredible beauty of Glacier National Park. The Avalanche Lake Trail is a captivating hike that offers a moderate level of difficulty, making it accessible for many outdoor enthusiasts. Spanning approximately 5 miles round trip, the trail meanders through lush forests, providing scenic views of towering trees and vibrant wildflowers along the way. As you ascend, you'll experience an elevation gain of about 500 feet, which rewards hikers with stunning vistas of the surrounding mountains and valleys. For those looking to extend their adventure, there's an option to continue along the shoreline of Avalanche Lake, where you can enjoy even more breathtaking views and a sense of tranquility. To make the most of your experience and avoid the crowds, it's advisable to hike early in the morning or later in the afternoon, especially during peak season. This way, you can fully immerse yourself in the serene beauty of the trail and enjoy the peaceful ambiance that Avalanche Lake has to offer. The Hidden Lake Overlook hike is a fantastic option for those seeking an accessible yet rewarding outdoor experience in Glacier National Park. This popular trail is known for its relatively easy terrain, featuring an elevation gain of about 400 feet over a 2.5-mile route, making it suitable for hikers of various skill levels. As you make your way to the overlook, keep your eyes peeled for the diverse wildlife that inhabits the area. You may spot mountain goats, deer, and a variety of bird species, adding an exciting element to your adventure. The trail also takes you through stunning alpine meadows, where vibrant wildflowers bloom during the summer months, creating a picturesque landscape that enhances the hike. We encourage viewers to take their time and enjoy the beauty of these meadows, as they provide a perfect backdrop for photography and a chance to connect with nature. The Hidden Lake Overlook hike promises breathtaking views and unforgettable wildlife encounters. Boat tours in Glacier National Park offer a unique and immersive way to experience the park's stunning landscapes from the water. One of the highlights is the boat tour on St. Mary Lake, where visitors can glide across the pristine waters while taking in breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains and lush forests. This tour provides an opportunity to learn about the park's rich geology and natural history from knowledgeable guides, enhancing your understanding of the area's formation and ecological significance. In addition to St. Mary Lake, boat tours are also available on Lake McDonald, the park's largest lake, where guests can enjoy a leisurely ride while soaking in the picturesque scenery. These tours not only provide a relaxing experience, but also serve as an educational journey, offering insights into the park's unique geological features, wildlife, and cultural history. Whether you're a nature lover or a history enthusiast, the boat tours in Glacier National Park are a must-do for an unforgettable adventure. The St. Mary and Virginia Falls Trail offers a captivating journey through a regrowing forest, showcasing nature's resilience after a past wildfire. As you hike along this scenic trail, you'll witness the vibrant rebirth of the landscape with new growth and diverse flora, creating a beautiful backdrop. The trail leads you to the stunning two-tiered St. Mary Falls, where water cascades dramatically over the rocks, creating a mesmerizing sight. Continuing on, you'll reach the impressive Virginia Falls, which plunges over 50 feet, providing a breathtaking view that is well worth the hike. The sound of rushing water and the mist in the air add to the enchanting atmosphere of this natural wonder. The entire hike is approximately 3.6 miles round trip and typically takes around 2 to 3 hours to complete, making it a perfect option for families and casual hikers. Don't forget your camera, as the picturesque scenery and stunning waterfalls are sure to create lasting memories. The Grinnell Glacier Trail is a breathtaking hike that spans approximately 7 miles round trip, featuring an elevation gain of about 1,600 feet. This trail is renowned for its stunning views, leading hikers through some of the most picturesque landscapes in Glacier National Park. As you make your way along the trail, you'll encounter vibrant turquoise lakes, including the stunning Grinnell Lake, which reflects the surrounding mountains and glaciers. The area is also rich in wildlife, offering opportunities to spot mountain goats, bighorn sheep, and various bird species, enhancing the overall experience. For those looking to shorten the hike while still enjoying the beauty of the area, consider taking the scenic boat ride across Swift Current Lake and Lake Josephine. This option not only reduces the hiking distance, but also provides a unique perspective of the stunning scenery from the water. The Grinnell Glacier Trail promises an unforgettable adventure filled with natural beauty and wildlife encounters. When planning your visit to Glacier National Park, timing is crucial for a memorable experience. The best time to visit is during the summer months, from late June to mid-September, when most trails and facilities are accessible. However, be aware that seasonal road openings can vary, particularly for the iconic Going to the Sun Road, which typically opens in late June, depending on snow conditions. Vehicle regulations are in place for this road, including size restrictions for larger vehicles, so be sure to check the park's website for details before your trip. Additionally, bear safety is paramount in the park. Always carry bear spray, make noise while hiking, and store food properly to avoid attracting wildlife. Weather can change rapidly in the mountains, so come prepared with layers, rain gear, and sturdy footwear. By following these essential travel tips, you can ensure a safe and enjoyable adventure in the breathtaking landscapes of Glacier National Park. In this video, we explored the breathtaking beauty and diverse activities available in Glacier National Park. We highlighted top hikes such as the Avalanche Lake Trail, Hidden Lake Overlook, and the Grinnell Glacier Trail, each offering stunning views and unique experiences. Additionally, we discussed the serene boat tours on St. Mary Lake and Lake McDonald, providing a different perspective of the park's magnificent landscapes. We also covered essential travel tips, including the best times to visit, vehicle regulations for the Going to the Sun Road, and the importance of bear safety and weather preparedness. We hope this video inspires you to plan your own adventure in this incredible national park. If you enjoyed the content, please subscribe, like, and share the video with fellow nature enthusiasts. Don't forget to explore our related content for more insights and tips on making the most of your Glacier National Park experience. Your next unforgettable adventure awaits in this stunning wilderness.